The mentoring here has been amazing. They're all very supportive. My name's Nikki and I'm an aircraft maintenance engineer structures at Sikorsky. We do have our 3 trades, avionics, mechanical and structural. We do all the structural maintenance on the MH60 Romeos, get the aircraft airworthy so it's safe and reliable and back in the air. Our typical day would start off with our team briefing in the morning. We go over what priority jobs are on which aircraft. The culture here is amazing. Everyone is willing to help. Everyone works together in a team. Everyone always has each other's backs. Sikorsky has supported me a lot during my apprenticeship with my daughter, helping in fighter daycare in my travels to Tamworth for TAFE. Having a 2.5-year-old, it's hard to find time to be with her, but with my working arrangement, I get to spend a lot more time with her. It's been a really great learning experience for me, and now that I am finished my apprenticeship, I've started mentoring some new apprentices, which has been really good to up my skills for mentoring. The best thing about being on the south coast is the beaches that are so close. I take my daughter to the beach quite often, and you still have Wollongong and Sydney so close. The coolest part of my job would have to be seeing the finished product. It's amazing seeing them fly after all the work we've put into them. It feels really good knowing that what we do supports the Royal Australian Navy and makes such a big difference. Sikorsky is an amazing place to work. It is willing to help you succeed and invest time into you and your career.